Welcome on board to the MORPHO project, funded by the European Union Horizon 2020 program. Our captain is Métiers Institute of Technology, and our crew consists of 10 partners from 6 European countries working together to change the future of manufacturing in the aerospace industry. We are working together to make airplanes that are smarter, more efficient, and better for the environment. So, have you ever heard of airplanes and how they are built and repaired? Modern airplanes are typically built with a combination of different materials, including metals and composites. Metals like aluminum and titanium are still commonly used for structural components such as wings, fuselage, and engines because they are strong and durable. Composites, such as carbon fiber, are known for their high strength-to-weight ratio, making them lighter than metals, but just as strong. By using hybrid metal composite parts, airplanes require less fuel to fly, which makes them more efficient and environmentally friendly. Carbon fiber, thinner than human hair and thousands of times stronger, is a key material for the MORPHO project, as the project aims to innovate the manufacturing design to test and validate a new generation of intelligent and multifunctional aeronautic parts. All the tests and experiments are applied to a foreign object damage perform, a structure representative of an engine fan blade made with carbon fiber. However, these fibers are very difficult and costly to recycle, and landfilling has historically been the main disposal method for them. To change this, MORPHO is developing new processes for disassembly and recycling of hybrid metal composite parts, reducing the cost of future aircraft parts and bringing them in line with the circular economy. For recycling, a new methodology that combines 2 innovative processes, laser-induced disassembly and pyrolysis technology, is being developed. Also, adhesively bonded joints, or, in simple terms, glue, has been used to assemble aircraft parts. This works so well that it is difficult to disassemble. When it comes to repairing or recycling parts, it takes a lot of force and heat to disassemble them. The MORPHO project is testing a new way to take apart these joints using a newly developed laser shock technique that creates strong waves to break the glue without damaging the parts. This project is innovative not only in terms of the materials it uses, and in its recycling processes, MORPHO is also working on making airplane parts smarter. One of their goals is to reduce by 50% the time it takes to fix an airplane. To do so, they are relying on Industry 4.0 technologies. The project is working on embedding printed and optical fiber sensors into airplane composite parts. These sensors can measure things like temperature, pressure, and vibrations. We breathe life into inert structures. These sensors acting as nerves will allow these parts, as soon as they are manufactured, to think and to warn us in case of problems. This helps us catch problems early and fix them before they become serious. MORPHO is also working on making computer models that can help us understand how the panels work and how to take care of them better. They will use these models to make sure the panels last a long time and stay safe for us to use. The best part is that all these improvements will help us make airplanes safer and more efficient, which means we can all travel more easily and have even more fun exploring the world.